I live in Walthamstow, and Walthamstow means welcome place. And it's a beautiful community. I was down at the mosque yesterday with a couple of imams who are friends of mine, and we held up placards saying no to Islamophobia. And what we do in Walthamstow is when we saw the racist immigration officers at the station, our Migrants Action Group went there with balloons saying welcome and giving out leaflets to tell people their rights with stop and search. But there's one kind of person that we don't actually welcome very much in Walthamstow, and that is racists and fascists. When 100 EDL members tried to walk through our streets, 5,000 of us came out on the streets of Walthamstow to say no, Casaran, you will not pass. But I tell you what, we've got a bigger challenge now than the BNP and the EDL. Because we've got a situation in this country where it's not just in the back rooms of the BNP and EDL that we're seeing racism, but it's in the front rooms of those people who are enticed by the nasty venom and racist nationalism of Nigel Farage. Yes! Last month I was in Bosnia. I went there with the Faith Forum for London, and I was with other members, Christian, Jewish and Muslim, and we learned about the 8 stages of genocide. And the Muslim lawyers I was with, they said to me, you know what, we feel in the UK now that we are on about stage 5 of the 8 stages of genocide, with the ways we are being classified and polarised into us and them in UK society. You know, we've got to put the compassion and the humanity back into the migration debate. Yes. No human is illegal. Those people who are trying to escape and get across from the Mediterranean, they're human beings. They're mothers, their fathers, their sons and their daughters. The domestic workers who are being kept in slave-like conditions in many homes in this country, human beings. Those people held in detention, human beings. Where is the humanity and compassion in our country when we've got this nasty narrative of anti-migrant, anti-Muslim, anti-immigrant? You know, it's an absolute disgrace. We'd be ashamed of ourselves that the UK, with its excellent traditions of welcome, has become a place where racist language has become mainstreamed in British politics. And we need to reverse this. We need to make sure that we turn out to vote. We need to make sure we're on the streets anywhere that racism shows its ugly head. We need to say no. We need to put the humanity back into our country. We need to make not just Walthamstow, but the whole of the UK a welcome place. Peace.
Thank you very much, Steve.